Hello everyone, Lily the Deck Harlot here. Welcome to my channel, and for those returning viewers, welcome back. How are you? Today I thought I would do an unboxing of a package I received. Now I cheated a little bit, and because I have several Kickstarters or Indigo campaigns going that I still haven't received the package. So I peeked to see which one this was, and it happens to be the Uncover Your Past Life Oracle by Mandy Peterson, who happens to be local to me in the sense that she lives in Manatee, which is 20 minutes, half an hour from where I'm living. So when her campaign came online, I actually did not hesitate very long. She's also the creator of the Healers of the Earth Oracle. So anyway, this is the package. Now I'm going to turn sideways because my table is on my right here, and I'll open the package and we can go through a few cards. So I did get the hard copy book. I think you could get it just the deck and a PDF, but I like to get hard copies for my Oracle cards just because I find PDF sometimes unwieldy. But so there's the book. It's actually it's got 193 pages, and let me see here. So you have, the categories you'd expect in a book like this, about the cards, a little bit of the history and a little bit of the what to expect in the cards, using spreads, and then she goes into each card. So the cards here are depicted in black and white. And it's a page per card. And the font actually isn't too bad for a book this size. Lately I've been finding the fonts in some of the books we get from Amazon are kind of small. And then, it goes into each card and what you find on each card. So, here's the guidebook. And here are the cards. No, I don't want to. While I'm unwrapping the box of cards, I forgot to mention that there are 86 cards in all, 83 subjects, plus 3 blank cards. Nowhere on the box or in the book does it mention how many cards the deck has. Oh, here we go. So this is how we open the box. And you have a ribbon with the cards. And the cards are around here. Good cardstock. Not too thick, not too thin. It's matte. And I'm just going to go through a few of the cards. And what's interesting about these cards is, and I guess the guidebook will say, but you have several names here. Let's look at the back. Okay. Are they all the same? So I'm noticing here. So for example, you have abusive relationship, and you have 4 things here. You have abused, rescuer, abuser, and enabler. And on the back, which They all have this eye, but they have 7 sections. And this one in particular is like pre-earth time frame, self-love lesson, old age death, stars location, psychic trauma, celestial faith, true love, androgynous identity. And it looks like they might be different for, like, the back looks like they might be different for each. I'm not sure if it's for each card or for each, like several cards have the same back, because I'm looking at this one here. Like you have Achiever, and it's the same thing. Caretaker. No, they might be different. So I just want to pop in here to read there's a little bit of a description here on the card, how to use the card fronts and back. So I'll just read it since I completely missed it in my video. So it says here, so how to use the card fronts and back. While the subcategories on the card fronts are related to this theme on that card front, it is not the same for the card backs. The categories on the card backs aren't associated with one another, nor are they related to the subject on the card front. See the manual for more information on how to use the card fronts, the card backs, and the card fronts and backs together. A free version of the manual is available for download at mysticmandy.com. So there you have it. Because you have celestial faith, true love, androgynous identity, pre-earth time frame. Oh, needs more study. But, so here's for charity. And you have beneficiary, patron, benefactor, good Samaritan. And you see you have different sections here. You have non-contagious illness, death, location, Mexico, trauma, imprisonment, faith, monotheistic, love, unrequited love, identity, young female. Oh, I see. So you have, okay, so you have 8 segments, which are time frame, lesson, death, location, trauma, faith, and love. And it's the outer words that are different. Like here you have the word healer. And on the back you have Western Europe, slander, pantheistic or animistic for the faith. Love is slave or concubine. Identity, child. Time frame, Viking age. Accountability for adolescent. Death of a broken heart. And location, Western Europe. So this is just an overview. I'm gonna try and do a flip through, which I haven't done before, so I have to figure that out, how I'm gonna do it in my space. But anyway, if you're interested in this deck, I think it is still available for pre-order from Mandy Peterson. And if anyone's interested to know more about this, either contact Mandy or let me know if there's any questions I can answer here. Because so far, I kind of like it. And look at this beautiful edging. And yeah, so until next time, have a nice day.